What are you growling at, Rennie? You growling at Dizzy? What are you growling at Dizzy for? You wondering what Dizzy's doing? What's Dizzy doing? What's Dizzy doing? What is it, Rennie? Dizzy's drinking. Shh, shh, shh. Rennie, shut up. Dizzy's drinking. Shut up! It's the first drink he's had since he came out of hibernation. It's wonderful. Can't believe I just saw Dizzy drinking. I've never seen him drink before. I've had him for a year. Dizzy's having a drink, Rennie. Yes. Oh, Dizzy, good on you. Having a drink. Blue tongue lizard, best pet you could ever have. That's Banana. Anyone wondering? Oh, Dizzy, thirsty boy. You're mad, Rennie. Rennie, do you know you're mad? You know you're mad? And you're mad when I do this, aren't you? Do you go mad when I pull out a plastic bag? Is that what makes you go mad? Just a plastic bag? And when I go... Oh, I'm sorry, Rennie. Mummy's bad. Not going for walks. Why don't you sit up and show everyone how you sit? Sit. Sit up. Sit. Sit. Very obedient chihuahuas. Highly obedient. Why don't you sit? Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. There you go. Sit up. Sit down. And sit up. You're mad. Bye, Rennie.